Imagine a city that thinks, breathes and evolves. In 2024, this is no longer a figment of science fiction, but an emerging reality. Around the globe, urban landscapes are transforming, evolving into smart cities. These cities are intelligent, responsive and adaptive, thanks to the digital revolution sweeping across our world. The brain behind these smart cities? Artificial intelligence. It's the driving force, the silent partner in our quest to build urban environments that are not just smart, but also sustainable and livable. AI is the new architect designing cities that are efficient, sustainable and livable. Picture a metropolis where buildings and public spaces are positioned optimally, minimizing energy consumption and maximizing livability. This isn't science fiction, but the reality of today's urban planning. AI uses vast amounts of data to create dynamic city designs and simulations, responding to the ever-changing needs of a city's population. AI doesn't just design our cities, it makes them breathe. Congestion-free roads, optimized public transit. Welcome to AI-driven mobility. Imagine a city where traffic lights adapt to real-time conditions, reducing gridlocks and making your commute a breeze. Picture public transportation routes optimized by AI, ensuring timely and efficient services. From autonomous vehicles to predictive traffic management, artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the way we move, transforming urban transportation into a seamless, efficient and enjoyable experience. With AI, urban mobility is not just about moving, but moving smartly. From the lights in our homes to the disposal of our waste, AI is making our cities greener. Around the clock, artificial intelligence is hard at work, managing everything from energy distribution to waste disposal. By optimizing smart grids, AI ensures energy is used efficiently, reducing waste and environmental impact. It also streamlines waste management, using predictive analytics to improve recycling efforts and reduce landfill. With AI, our cities are not just bright, but also green. Safety is a right, and AI is ensuring it's a reality in our cities. Through intelligent surveillance systems, AI helps deter crime and maintain peace. Emergency response is quicker and more accurate, thanks to AI's ability to analyze situations in real time and dispatch necessary resources. Predictive policing, another marvel of AI, allows law enforcement to anticipate and prevent crime, leading to safer, more secure communities. AI doesn't just watch over our cities, it safeguards them. But the path to smart cities isn't without its hurdles. As we tread this revolutionary road, we must confront challenges head-on. Privacy concerns loom large, as does the question of data security. Can we trust the invisible hands of artificial intelligence with our most sensitive information? And beyond these practical considerations, we must also navigate the murky waters of ethics. How do we ensure that AI serves everyone fairly? In the journey to smart cities, the compass of ethics guides us. As we stand on the brink of this exciting urban evolution, what does the future hold? Imagine a world where cities are sentient, where artificial intelligence not only reacts to but anticipates the needs of citizens. Envision urban landscapes that are more connected, more efficient and more sustainable. Picture a city that breathes, learns and evolves with its inhabitants. This is no longer the realm of science fiction. With AI at the helm, the cities of tomorrow promise a truly smart future.